My name is Adin Alai. I'm the CEO of 9Fiber. Jesus. We're an early-stage agrotech company dedicated to reviving the U.S. hemp fiber industry. Our patented technology transforms waste stock and stems from the booming U.S. cannabis industry into sustainable fibrous materials used for major applications. The U.S. cannabis industry is primarily led by CBD hemp and marijuana, neither of which can produce fiber through existing technology. The environmental impact of burning and burying this waste is real. Pesticide and herbicide runoffs into waterways and odd molds are just a few of the issues that have arisen. We are strategically positioned at the back end of both of these industries. We collect any varietal of waste stalks and stems and process them through our patented technology to create two products, clean fiber and hurd. Our eco-friendly chemical process decreases the current timeline to create textile-grade fiber from 16 days and multiple steps to 90 minutes and 2 steps. We emit only water and oxygen as a byproduct, and we eliminate any residual THC, CBD, or heavy metals and pesticides in under 2 minutes for applications in 9 major markets: textiles, composites, industrial construction, absorbents, paper, semiconductor, auto, non-wovens, and plastics. For Colorado, the need is now. We have been one of the lowest recycling rates in the country, right around 12%. And Pueblo County, which is home to 80% of the state's outdoor marijuana and hemp grows, hovers right around 5% for its recycling rate. We'll stand up our first pilot and commercial scale facilities right here in Pueblo to create an immediate positive environmental impact, create jobs and sustainable materials for Colorado businesses and beyond. Additionally, we feel that Colorado can support about 2 to 4 processing plants strategically placed throughout the state, and each plant will support about 25 jobs. Our process costs are competitive to fiberglass and 50% less expensive than the 2017 U.S. cotton production costs. And we're the only company that has successfully derived textile-grade fiber from marijuana waste. Our fiber sells between 70 cents and $1.25 a pound, depending on application, and the hurd sells between 30 cents and $1 a pound, depending on application. Through initial market testing, we've received over $6 million in initial LOIs and quotes, which validate our approach to the market. We've earned letters of recommendation from Colorado State Senator Leroy Garcia, the Marijuana Industry Group, Vartega, Recycle Colorado, Industrial Hemp Solutions, and one of the top 3 global leaders in sports apparel, which was no small feat. There are competitors in our space, but most are still in startup mode and one is relatively established. That said, we're taking a much different approach in that we're focused on technical fiber applications where in our 9 target markets where our competition can't compete and where we can solve a cost, quality, performance concern. We've assembled a championship team of entrepreneurial problem solvers from many industries with technical expertise in all facets of our business. Some key players here are our COO, who was the president of Rockwool in North America and sold fiber in several industries, our business development director, who's the former executive director for the National Hemp Association, and our engineering team, which hails from Ball Aerospace, Kimberly-Clark, and Honeywell. As a young company, we're fortunate to achieve many multiple milestones. I'll just go over a few. We have 3 U.S.-issued patents now. We've been awarded the Advanced Industries Accelerator Grant Award through Colorado's Office of Economic Development and International Trade. We've created the first articles of clothing with 9Fiber, which is down there. We've created the first brake pad with 9Fiber, which is manufactured to spec for Ferrari, Mustang GT, and most Japanese cars. Also right there. And we've been selected for the NextCycle grant program. We have a 24-month timeline to get to cash flow positive. Once we're through our last phase of R&D, revenue begins with our Series A and our first pilot plant here, which will divert 4 million pounds of waste annually and bring about $600,000 to the bottom line. Within a year from then, we'll look for our Series B, which will scale up to our first commercial-sized plant, divert 35 million pounds of waste, and deliver about $4 million to the bottom line, hit cash flow positive benchmarks, and replicate this model throughout the country. Our process is agile, so scaling it into the 9 major markets requires no additional retooling. In closing, we have a scalable, profitable, sustainable approach to reviving and recreating a 21st century U.S. hemp fiber economy. Our materials create high-quality bio-based products that reduce stress on the environment and enhance our everyday lives. 9Fiber is poised to be the leader in the manufacturing sector of the hemp fiber market, and we invite you to join us. Money, and some.